Changing your phone number on NerdWallet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Log in. Access your NerdWallet account by visiting the website or opening the app. Enter your credentials to log in. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings, look for the section labeled personal information or similar. Click on this option to view your current details. Step 4. Update phone number. Find a field for your phone number. Delete the old number and enter your new phone number in the provided space. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to ensure your new number is recorded. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on NerdWallet. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.